So for who exactly is that not enough? And what could you possibly do to it to improve? Well, this. Now this is a Nissan GTR, or specifically a model year 2009 GTR. That's been poked and prodded by the good people at Night Racer, and they've given it what they call the KR650 Performance Pack. Now that includes some tweaks under the bonnet, including new inlets, injectors, and a whole bunch of new plumbing, and a shiny new remapped ECU. And what does that do to the car? Well, the clue's in the name. The KR650 now puts out 650 horsepower. The launch control has also been tweaked, so let's see how it stacks up against the standard GTR in a drag race. The stock GTR is no slouch when it comes to drag races, and it can see off pretty much anything over the quarter mile. But the KR650 just smokes it. And a car that was already blisteringly quick takes on a new dimension of speed. On the straights, my word. That extra power makes a big difference.